You left 12 review comments. The author fixed 2. Did they even know which ones actually mattered? A blocking comment means the pull request cannot be merged until the issue is resolved. These cover actual bugs, security vulnerabilities, broken functionality, race conditions, or violations of non-negotiable architectural rules. Think of a SQL injection risk, a missing authentication check, or a null pointer that crashes production. The message is clear. This code is not ready to ship as written. An optional suggestion is an improvement that does not affect correctness. The code works fine without the change. Think style preferences like a different variable name, suggesting a more idiomatic pattern, or proposing a minor refactor for readability. These are invitations, not demands. The author can weigh the trade-offs, push back, or accept them. The PR will not be blocked either way. The solution is explicit labeling. Prefix blocking issues with blocking or must fix. Use nit, short for nitpick, for minor style feedback. And for take it or leave it ideas, write optional. Context matters too. The same naming inconsistency could be blocking in a public API contract, but merely a nit in an internal helper function. Severity and impact determine the bar. Blocking comments must be fixed before merge. Optional suggestions invite improvement, not demands. Label every comment so authors know exactly what is required. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.